Good morning class. In this video I am going to explain you next connective, that is implication. We can say implication or conditional. Okay. We denote it this symbol or this symbol. Okay. In implication, we suppose we have two proposition A and B. Two proposition. So how we can implies A implies B. How we can find the result of A implies B? It works on if then. It works on if then. Okay. So here two proposition, you have to write the combinations of two which is depend on number of variable. Number of variable 2 raised the power n. Number of variable is 2. Then 2 raised the power 2 means number of combinations 4. It start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you have to write here binary combination of 4 numbers. Now A implies B. We are using if then in this proposition. You have to remember only one thing, that is if your first proposition is true. First proposition is true and second proposition is false. If first proposition is true and second proposition is false, then result will be false. Okay. If your first proposition is true and second proposition is false, then result will be false. Otherwise, result will be true. So it's a simple. Here is 0, 0, result will be true. 0, 1, result will be 1. Here, A is the first proposition and B is the second proposition. So, first proposition is true, but second proposition is false. Then result will be false. Okay. Here, 1, 1, result will be true. It's a A implication implies B. Result of truth table of A implies B. Okay. It's a connective is using if then. Okay. Next is the biconditional. Next is the biconditional or equivalence. Next connective. In biconditional, both statements will be same. Corresponding statements are same. Biconditional. We denoted biconditional by this sign or this sign. Okay. It use if and only if. It used to connect one proposition to another proposition if and only if. Okay. Suppose you have two proposition A and B. You have to write the combinations of A and B. This is the combination. Now you have to find the A equivalence B. So here, if both are all the corresponding statements are same. Here in this A is 0 and B is 0. Then result is true. Okay. Here see last one. Here is 1. A is 1 and B is 1. A and B both are true. So here result is 1. True. Otherwise result is 0. All the statements are same. Then result is true. Otherwise result is false. Okay. It's a biconditional. We denoted by this sign, and we are using to connect one proposition to another if and only if. Clear? These are the 4 main connectives. One more is a negation. negation. It's an operator. Negation is an operator. We can denote is this sign. It's known as tilde sign. Then bar sign, or we can denote by complement sign. These three signs are denoted negation. Okay, negation means is just opposite the value. If your value is true, then after negation the value is false. If your value is false, then after using negation, your value is true. In this, only one proposition. It's not using to connect more than one proposition. It used only in a single proposition. Suppose we having one proposition, that is x. Okay, x, here is only one variable. 2 raised the power 1 means number of combinations are only 2. Number of combinations are 2, 0 and 1. Okay, now x bar, you can write x bar, or you can write x complement, or you can write tilde x. Okay, these three forms you can write anyone. Here just opposite the, here is the value true, oh sorry, here is the value false. So after negation value will be true, 1. Here is value true, then after negation value will be 0, false. Clear? Negation is not a connective. Negation only used for use as a operator, as an operator. It used only a single proposition. Okay, and just opposite the proposition. If your proposition 0, then 1. If your proposition is 1, then 0. Clear? These all are the connectives: conjunction, disjunction, implication, and biconditional, and one more, negation. Okay, thank you.